Welcome to the Doug and Nikki testing studio, where today I have a really cool new Holy Stone drone for me to test for you, so you know if it's something you want or don't want. It is the Holy Stone HS340 drone, which is kind of that like right at the top edge of toy drone and right at the beginning of a beginner drone, like for adults and stuff. So I think in this video what we'll do is we'll take it out, we'll fly it first so you can see what that looks like. Then I will give you my Doug score from 1 to 5 and let you know if I like it or if it's a piece of junk. Oh, and also you need to know that this was provided for me to do this review, but with absolutely no rules. And I have said things are pieces of junk before, and I've said things are awesome. So I will give you my honest review. My opinion is my own. And then I will come back. I will unbox it. I will show you everything in detail. We'll talk about the features and attributes of it so that you know what you're looking at if you're thinking about getting this. All right, let's take it out and fly it. I actually ended up putting the blade guards on it because I didn't want to break it, and I felt like I didn't have enough control of it for shooting in like the garage here. Anyway, crashed it lots of times. Nothing ever bothered it, just clicked it, went right back up. It was awesome. Okay, so here we have, you can see in camera a little bit, I am shooting this both on my GoPro as well as on the drone. And this drone is super cool. I have to give this thing a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Almost knocked it down to a 4 out of 5 because I had very hard time like centering it in the wind, but when I took it inside, it was super easy to get it centered and get it to hover smoothly. So a little bit of a message there. Not that somebody would think this would be, not that, did a bug just fly in my mouth? Not that somebody would think this is a great drone to use outside on a windy day, but I will confirm it is not. But inside or on a calm day, this thing is a ton of fun. I have to recommend it. The software worked great, the drone worked great, super easy to work with. I think it's exactly what it's supposed to be, like an advanced for a kid or a beginner first drone to kind of play with a little bit and get used to it. Awesome, very cool. All right, you saw it fly. We talked about what I thought about it. Now let's open it up and talk about the details of what the features of this are. So a couple things you should know that are basic important things. It is a 2.4 gigahertz drone, which should give you really nice communication for the FPV between it and the cell phone. So always inside, it comes with the owner's manual instructions. Please read these. They're always a little subtly different, and it makes a big difference if you're struggling with something or just plain old having a good time right out of the box. Seems to want us to start with the controller, so let's start there. Okay, it is a very basic controller. You can see this here. Has the normal functions. It has, so you can toggle between video and photographs. It is a 720p HD camera. It has the stabilization there. It has the flip button. How fun is that? For me, this I think is about the largest drone that I've seen that does a flip, and I think that's super cool. It has your choice between high and low speeds. Let's see what we need to power it, just so you know. This one takes 3 AAA batteries, which Holy Stone should include with the kit, just a cheap set, so you could just put it all together and throw it up in the air and go. I think that would be fun. let's see what's in the parts bag. So in the parts bag, we have 2 wires for the 2 batteries, which again, I think there should be the plug-in part also, but that's just my own little pet peeve there. We have some teeny little screws in case you have to replace the blades, and there is a full set of blades. There is also a screwdriver to facilitate that because you need a very small screwdriver to do that, which I think that's all really nice. You basically have everything you need here to enjoy the drone and even have a couple little problems with it and still enjoy the drone. Okay, so let's go real quick. We have 2 batteries fully enclosed, which is nice. All you do is you plug them into the USB to charge them. Here is an adapter for the FPV for your phone, which goes on the radio. And here is the drone itself. Oh man, is that cool. I love that. I think this is a cool looking drone. I think the features are amazing with it. Let's just go over some of those again. It has voice control. You could say take off or landing and it'll do that. Has throw it in the air and it'll take off and fly. It obviously does flips as we discussed. It does 360s, all kinds of follow me mode, all kinds of cool big drone features in this little drone. I think that's so cool. And the last thing I want to tell you is you do have the option of putting blade guards on it so that if you want to fly it inside. So if you want to fly inside and things don't go perfect, you won't chew up the wall and get in trouble with mom. In any case, I think this thing's really cool. I hope this was helpful and we'll see you next time.